Since 1992, Superior Joining Technologies has provided unparalleled service to the aerospace industry in our region and beyond. Supporting the local manufacturing community as an AS 9100 registered firm, we are serving the Northern Illinois tri-state area with certified precision welding, cylinder rolling and seam welding, NADCAP accredited non-destructive testing, and advanced laser processes. Superior Joining Technologies Inc. is located at 1260 Turret Drive in Machesney Park, just 15 minutes northeast of Rockford. To find out more, visit our website at superiorjt.com or give us a call at 815-282-7581. Superior Joining Technologies, joining with you.